Numit Marini Sumna Leba Sigi Ahan Boina Tribal Frames, Manipur Hainamingtonba National Tribal Film Festival, come State Trival Carnival, listening to Manga State Sidang Hotokre. Ministry of Tribal Affairs ki Matega Lunana State Sigi, State Lengaki, Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills Amazon Tribal Research Institute TRI and Sinduna. Tha Sigi Tarani Toy the Gitaramanga forward Chatagatoriba, Toromasi Palace Compound Liba City Convention Center Madi, Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS Mafamani Sida Pangthokhre. Toromasida Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal, Manipur Secretary, Anurag Basbai, Additional Chief Secretary, T. Pamay, Commissioner Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Hungyo Warsung, Secretary Tourism and IPR, Guru Ruben Masangba Gangmai, Aluna Kabuini Kabui Folk Artist Madi, Sunju Basis Party Mayum, Secretary MSFTS na Chief Guest, President Amadi Guest of Honor Wina Saruyaki. Paumay Naga Folk Song Amadi, Guru A.S. Rowungi, Folk tune Galuina, Pangthokhre Thoramadu Maridena, Chief Secretary in High 19th century ki matamda Laiba Asigi, Munda tribe Singi Maratagi freedom fighter, religious reformer Amadi, folk hero Ma, Wedam Kiba, Bhagawan Birsa Mundagi, Jahi Chamaga, Yankai Suba, Mapokuman, Thoramgi, Mangwina, Salibata Sigi Amadagi Hoduna, Taramanga, Fauba Tongan Tongan, Bamafam Kada, Pangthokhre Janjatia, Gaurav Barsky, Manung Channa, Laiba Asigi, Ahan Boy, National Tribal Film Festival, Gum State Tribal Carnival, Listing Nikun Mangagi Thoramasi Pangthokhre. Festival asina tribal filmmakers in Bomata Oina Punsin Nabaki Pandama Magaloina. Hodupa Festival Mani Amadi Tribal Singyo Ba Cinema Culture Sing Basing Promote Tonabagi Wakalunda Pangthokhre Haiki. Hariba Festival Asida Mizoram, Meghalaya, Assam, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Orissa, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland Namadi, Manipur, Hariba State Maple Sing Asida. Kundariba Tongan Tribe Makal Kayagi English subtitle Yaroba film Kunhumdoi Utkadori, Loinana 6 feature film Taruk. Documentary film ani short film taramari galloinana animation film amasu utkani haiki bagaloinana festival asina apun bagi pangdal sagatuna apun na hingminaba idea na chingba khanabagi tanza amani haiki.
Hosting this national event places Manipur at the forefront of our country's tribal cultural renaissance and reaffirms its commitment to inclusive growth through culture-based development. Our true wealth lies not merely in resources, but in our people, in their art, songs, stories, and spirit. Tribal cinema gives voice to those timeless expressions and helps us rediscover India's soul rooted in nature, community, and harmony.